If you're serious about buying a home, the experts at richmondcustomhomes.com can help guide you. Want to know if you qualify for a mortgage? Start with your debt-to-income ratio, or DTI. Step 1. Add up all your monthly debts. This includes credit cards, car loans, student loans, and minimum payments. Step 2. Calculate your gross monthly income, that's your income before taxes. Step 3. Divide your total monthly debt by your gross monthly income. For example, if your debts are $2,000 and your income is $6,000, your DTI is about 33%. Most lenders prefer a DTI of 43% or lower, though lower is always better. Understanding your DTI helps you know how much home you can afford and improves your chances of approval. For more info, Dwayne Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 1110647 804-212-8663. Dwayne at coast2coastmal.com and visit richmondcustomhomes.com.